Hello, everybody. This is Ali with Rio Mar Travel Organizers. How is everybody doing today? Today, I'm going to share with you a brand new product that is not in the stores yet. However, I will be putting the link here in case you're watching this video later on and you want to get one. You'll find the link here. But I'm still working on this product and it's coming very soon and it's brand new and I'm sure you're gonna love it. But before I show you the product, would you please, if at any point you like what you see, would you like this video? It helps me more than you know. And subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when I upload the next video. Okay, now let me show you what I have for you today. So here it is, guys, the Bonita jewelry case. This case, it's a product that I launched 2 years ago and it sold out right away. And I haven't made any more after that. But I decided that I wanted to continue to make jewelry organizers. So I will create a new category of jewelry organizers in my website. The link is down below. As of right now, end of May 2021, they are not live yet. But if you're watching this video after that time, go ahead and click on the link because most likely there will be some products in there already. But I want to show you the inside of this jewelry case. It is absolutely the best case when you have a perfect outfit and you want to bring those accessories to match your outfit. Say you're going to a destination wedding or a graduation or a birthday party or a retirement party for a family member or just simply traveling to visit the world. And you want to match, you want to have your accessories that match your outfit, right? Well, you can be sure they will be safe and protected inside this case. So it has a zipper all around, so that way they're protected. They don't fall out of the bag, right? Because what's the point? You want to have your case and they're protected. So you're going to open your case. And this is an example of how you can organize your jewelry in this case. The right side of the case, you have 5 tabs. These 5 tabs, you can use these 5 tabs to hang any necklaces or bracelets. If you notice, there are 2 tabs on the sides of the case. These are specifically for those long necklaces that could get tangled. If you put your necklace on the top tab and then you take part of your necklace and you put it and you hold it with the side tab, your necklace is not gonna get tangled. This side also has a clear pocket. So that way, if you have long necklaces, they can all fall in the pocket and stay in place and not dangle all over the jewelry case. On the other side of the case, you have the ring holder that has a snap. Now, if you don't have a lot of rings or if you have other types of bracelets that don't fit on the right side of the case, you can also hang a necklace or a bracelet in the ring holder. Then it has this clear pocket. And inside the clear pocket, it's an earring card. And this earring card has several little holes. Several. And they are exactly what you need to hang all your earrings. And they will stay in place. And so no matter how big or how small your earrings are, this little card will hold the earrings perfectly. But if for some reason one of the earrings falls, it's okay because they will be inside the plastic pocket. I included a small zipper pocket. This zipper pocket is perfect for pieces that probably are very high value and you want to make sure you don't lose them, so they'll be secure with the zipper, or for hair pieces and hair accessories that you want to keep inside there, as you can see here in the example what I have. So you can put in here a smaller bracelets, maybe like a tennis bracelet, or these little hair pieces. This case is 6.5 inches wide by 10.5 inches long. So it's right under the size of a piece of paper, which means that this will fit perfectly in any of your travel bags, duffel bags, carry-on, book bag, anything that you use to travel and keep with you. This little case will fit perfectly there. So, like I said, I will be making more of these in different colors. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about it? If you like it, if you think something could be changed. Also, if you want to see in specific colors, let me know. I'll be more than happy to look at your comments and know what it is that you want me to make, or how you want, what designs would you like to see on your jewelry cases. So thank you so much for watching. And again, I will leave the link down in this video, and see you on the next video. Ciao.